This is a really quick unboxing video of something I bought from Amazon called the Vaultskin, I guess it's called a card wallet. This is my existing card wallet from Autodesk. I got this from a software tour I did with Autodesk about 15 years ago. I can't see what that says on there, and it's basically falling apart. So this is the Vaultskin London's card wallet. So it came in this really nice box. The box is not leather, but it smelled good. RFID blocking wallet and space efficient design, compact fit, loads of cool stuff. The reason I'm doing this unboxing video is because I always wanted to know when I ordered it exactly how snug would it be. So there's foam in the bottom of this. I guess this is demold. That's nice, demold thing, so it's not going to come out moldy. It's in this kind of like crepe paper thing. It's got a super nice sticker on. All those things that are like just a little bit extra. Here it is. I'm going to sniff it. It smells like leather. So there's a nice little embossed thing there. This is proper stitching. There's a tab here that you pull to, I think, to get your cards out. That's like spring loaded or elasticated. Yeah, nice. Let's throw some of these cards in. All these have all information I don't really want to share with the entire internet, but here's two. Okay, so that's like a normal card. It fits in. Oh, it fits in all the way to the bottom. Yeah, I like that. That is actually properly compact and not as big as I thought it might be. So that's great. That's in comparison to what I was using before. That's actually probably a little bit smaller. Happy days. Yeah, good stuff. Really happy. I can't remember the cost. I think it was roughly like £25-ish. So it's definitely not like a cheapy thing, but definitely proper leather. Really happy with that.